Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a clock in your start menu using apps and using alarms and clock apps in Windows 10 device. So this is going to be very easy and simple tutorial for you. So first you have to search for alarm and clock here, alarm. So if you search for alarm, you can see there's the apps here called alarms and clock. So open it. After opening the alarms and clocks apps, you have to choose the clock menu here. Then you have to choose the plus button here. So there it is. So add a new clock. Now you just have to search the location that you wanted to add in start menu for a clock here. So for example, let's say I want to add USA. So I can choose I can choose any city from USA, let's say Atlanta. So you just have to right click on it, and you can see there's an option called pin to start. So do you want to pin this tile to start? Select yes. And now if you open the start menu here, now you can see there's a tile here. It's the tile and it's showing the time in Atlanta, USA. So that's it. This is how you choose and add a clock in start menu. You can choose any other city or location. So this is a very easy and simple tutorial for you guys. Hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.